Hello and welcome to this video lecture. Let us start with the first fundamental concept in inequality. If A is greater than B, which is greater than C, then A is greater than B, and B is greater than C, and A is greater than C. Also, if A is greater than X and X is greater than B, then A is greater than X, which is greater than B. The logic is simple. For instance, if John is taller than Tom, and if Tom is taller than Sally, it is obvious that John is taller than Sally. For example, 5 is greater than 3, which is greater than 1, means 5 is greater than 3, and 3 is greater than 1, and 5 is greater than 1. 7 is greater than 5, and 5 is greater than 1 means 7 is greater than 1. Let us talk about the second fundamental concept in inequality. When we add or subtract a certain number from both sides of an inequality, the sign of inequality does not change. So if we add or subtract x from both sides of an inequality, it does not affect the inequality sign. If a is greater than b, then a plus minus x is greater than b plus minus x. For example, 8 is greater than 6 means that 8 minus 8 equal to 0, which is greater than 6 minus 8, that equals to negative 2. And 8 plus 8 equal to 16, which is greater than 6 plus 8, that equals to 14. 8 is less than 18 means that 8 minus 1 equal to 7, that is less than 18 minus 1, which equal to 17. And 8 plus 1 equal to 9 is less than 18 plus 1, that equals to 19. Let us talk about the first property of inequality, which is positive rule. Multiplying or dividing an inequality by a positive number does not change the direction of the inequality sign, which is positive rule in inequality. If a is greater than b, then a times x is greater than b times x, and a over x is greater than b over x, where x is greater than 0. For example, 2 is less than 5 means that 2 times 9 equal to 18, which is less than 5 times 9, which equal to 45, and 2 over 9 equal to decimal 222 recurring is less than 5 over 9, which is decimal 555 recurring. 7 is greater than 1 means that 7 times 6 equal to 42, which is greater than 1 times 6, that equals to 6, and 7 over 6 equal to 1.166 recurring is greater than 1 over 6, which equals to 0.166 recurring.